Members of the public are also blasting the Bank of Jamaica governor for suggesting that employers be careful in implementing large salary increases. Some Jamaicans lament that although the current inflation rate is lower than the corresponding period in 2022, food prices have consistently remained high. As Kalisha Williams reports, the National Consumers League has also weighed in.
Many Jamaicans have been livid since Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles warned employers against giving massive wage increases to their workers out of fear it could negatively impact inflation. Minimum wage earners are among the most upset.
We need to go sit down a full time for we get some money in our pocket. We work some dirty work, because me work with the rubbish. Yeah. And we all know we still at 9. We don't move from this up to the 13 the government say it, so we don't know where we really are going. But we are the small fish, so we have to just sit down and go and wait till when it's ready for we drop in our plate, we get it if for somebody case.
Reason the pay can't do it for the worker, because the worker them work hard. When you work hard, you deserve the money.
Even with the BOJ governor clarifying that if the salary increases are accompanied by increases in productivity, the wage increase will not adversely impact the inflation rate, some Jamaicans were still not satisfied. Public Relations Officer at the National Consumers League, Trevor Samuels, says many Jamaicans are upset because at present they are not getting large enough salaries to counteract the inflation currently eating away at their pockets. For instance, despite the annual inflation rate moving from 11.8% in April 2022 to 6.6% in July 2023, the cost of most goods and services has remained high.
So therefore, I think that, the regular consumer, his salary is not catching up with inflation. And therefore, his purchasing power is probably less than it used to be last year.
He stressed that there have been complaints from consumers about the adjustments in the inflation rate not being reflected on supermarket shelves. However, Mr. Samuel said it is a global issue.
When you look at cooking oil is now more expensive than it was last year this time. And even if you get a lower inflation at the BOJ and generally, it has not gone down to the consumers. On the supermarket shelves, it is still high and rising.
In regards to the statement from the BOJ governor,
the BOJ governor might be quite right, but then if you don't have the increase, then the standard of living of the consumer is going to go down. So therefore, we are caught between the rock and a hard place, no matter how you take it.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.